It's funny, isn't it? You all leave me behind to die in a shack. Tell me I'm nothing good for, that I'm a wreck, that I should be dead. You know why? Maybe you're right and I don't deserve a thing. Not even a slice of bread in a fucking morning. Not even the kind of life a kid should have.